Malapit Sam sa TV.
Barangay pa pumasok tayo dito.
Let's go!
Ha?
Sabi mo.
Go!
Galing ni ate, oh.
Para sa artista.
Parang arak. Bigyan no? Bigyan mo.
I-picture mo sila.
Ayo. Ganun ba, oh? Bigyan no?
Dance, go! Wala na. Mamaya naman to. Yung climb sa ano yun?
Alam ko yan ang mukha mo.
Huwag malapit sa TV.
From the band that brought
Layo kayo magkapatid.
Metro Station
So, Ate Cheska.
Ay, no! Kulit na ka eh! Doon ikaw. Dance, go!
June 10, Wednesday, 6 p.m. At Trinoma on June 11, Thursday, 7 p.m. And at Alabang
Burgundy.
June 12, Friday, 6:30 p.m.
Sam!
Stations brought to you by Ayala Mall. Cooperation with
No.
Mix.
Yeah.
Your choice, your music.
Pag meron kang pag meron kang apple, ilagay mo
Burn.
sa dukha mo.
Selling music.
Manong hawak.
You are not going to
Ay! Bakit dito ginawa yung... Ilagay mo nga sa rep ng abukado.
Ay, nawala sa isip.
songs that entertain us, give life.
Galing!
Don't kill.
Lagay mo sa rep.
Doon ka, bebe, oh. Dance ka
Pero yung
doon.
lalagyan.
Para kita ka ni daddy ka.
Stop piracy.
Yan. Tangkad ni baby ko, ah.
It's a mix. Your choice.
Wow. Haba ng hair mo, be.
Doon ikaw.
Yan na.
Go! Go!
Welcome back, guys. You're still with me, Misha Monica. This is still, of course, the Mr. International Top 20
Galing. Paano yan?
Top 20 favorite international videos of the week as voted by you. Demi Lovato overtakes the Black Eyed Peas and Green Day. And the MIT 20 this week, she co-wrote this song with Joe Rose. Believe that? They should just form a super group, if you ask me.
Sam, ang likot-likot mo, bebe.
Then, Joe
Ito yung ipis yung inaapakan niya.
The rest.
Patay na yung cockroach. Pinapatay pa ni Sam Sam.
Inapak. Di ba tayo?
Nick Jonas, of course.
Baby, no!
Very cute Nick Jonas on drums.